The warning gearbox in emergency mode. No reverse gear in a Volkswagen means that the dual-clutch DSG transmission has a mechatronic-related failure and it can't engage the odd gears and reverse. This is an extremely common fault with DSG transmissions, and basically they come down to three possible faults. First of all, check if the 12-volt battery is healthy. If the mechatronic experiences a voltage drop, it may start glitching and you will get all kinds of weird warnings and strange behavior of the transmission. Then the next step would be to check the fluid level. This may work especially well with the wet clutch transmissions, where the transmission fluid affects the work of clutches and may lead to all kinds of glitches if the fluid is low or extremely contaminated. But unfortunately, the most common reason for this issue is a mechatronic failure, which will require the replacement of that expensive part. The new mechatronic for the modern dual-clutch transmission will cost well over 1,000 pounds, euros or dollars, depending on your location. Also, the labor is not cheap at all. The used mechatronic is $400–600 on eBay, but of course, it's kind of a lottery and you never know how long it will last. Anyway, if this warning reappears more than once and topping up transmission fluid doesn't solve the problem, this is exactly what you need to replace. I also know that if your vehicle is low mileage, you can write an emotional letter to Volkswagen main dealer support in your country, and there is a small chance they will provide you with some goodwill coverage.